Hello students, today we are going to cover variance of estimators in OLS method and minimum variance property of estimators. So we have a model which is yi equals to beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat xi plus ui. Now by minimizing summation ui square and solving normal equations, we get value of beta 2 is equal to yi xi upon summation small xi capital Xi equals summation yi xi upon summation xi square, where small yi and small xi implies deviation forms of variable. These are deviation form. Now what are the properties that we have to prove is, first is linear, that these estimators are linear, then estimators are unbiased, and estimators possess minimum variance, which means that out of a class of estimators, the estimators that beta 2 hat we have find, so this possess minimum variance. Variance of this estimator is minimum. So we have beta 2 hat equals to summation xi yi upon summation xi square. So now let ki is equal to xi upon summation xi square. This implies that beta 2 hat, value of beta 2 hat will be equal to summation ki yi. Now this is a linear form. So estimators are linear in nature. Now we have property that summation ki will be equal to what? Now this will be equal to summation of xi upon summation of xi square. Now value of this is 0 because this is deviation form and sum of deviation is 0. So the value of summation ki is 0. And summation of ki square is equal to summation of xi square upon summation of xi square ka whole square. So this gets cancelled out. So this equals to 1 upon summation xi square. Also we have value of summation ki xi is equal to what? This equal to summation of xi into xi upon summation xi square, which is nothing but equals to 1. Now we are going to use these further to prove unbiasedness and to find the variance of beta 2 hat. Now from population regression function we have capital yi equals to what? Beta 1 plus beta 2 xi plus ui. This implies by multiplying this equation by ki and taking summation, we get. Now here we are proving the unbiasedness property. So we have summation ki capital yi is equal to summation ki into beta 1 plus beta 2 xi plus ui. Now this is equal to beta 1 summation ki plus beta 2 summation ki xi plus summation ki ui. Now here we know that value of summation ki is equal to 1, so this becomes value of summation ki is equal to 0. So this quantity becomes 0 plus value of this is 1, so this is beta 2 plus summation ki ui. Now taking expectation of both side, what we get is Now this is beta 2 hat. This we are taking from here. Beta 2 hat is equal to summation ki yi. So beta 2 hat will be equal to beta 2 plus summation ki ui. Now taking expectation, this equals to, now this is beta 2 only because expectation of beta 2 will be beta 2, and the value of this will be equals to 0. Why? Because we have expectation of ui is equal to 0, mean of ui is 0. So now from here what we get is that expectation of beta 2 hat is equals to beta 2. This implies that beta 2 hat is unbiased. So from here we have proven two properties, that is beta 2 hat is linear as well as unbiased. Now we have to prove the third property, which is minimum variance. Minimum variance. Now for that first we have to find the variance of beta 2 hat. So we are going to find the variance of beta 2 hat. Now variance of beta 2 hat will be equal to expectation of beta 2 hat minus expectation of beta 2 hat whole square. Now this equal to what? Expectation of beta 2 hat minus beta 2 whole square. Now from earlier equation, from this equation, we have value of this is equal to expectation of summation ki ui square. Now remember this step. From that equation we have got beta 2 hat minus beta 2 equals to summation ki ui. We have used this here. So now this becomes equal to what? Sigma square into summation ki square. This equation has been converted into this. Now summation ki square value was equal to, summation ki square was equal to 1 upon summation xi square. So from here we have got variance of beta 2 hat is equal to sigma square upon summation xi square. This is variance of beta 2 hat. Now we have to prove that this variance is minimum. So now out of a class of estimators, now let beta 2 hat star be other estimator such that value of beta 2 hat star is equal to summation wi yi, where wi may not be equal to ki, which we have taken earlier. So now from here what we have got is that expectation of beta 2 hat star is equal to what? Is equal to expectation of summation wi yi. So this equal to summation wi expectation of yi. This is equal to summation wi, expectation of yi is beta 1 plus beta 2 xi. This from earlier equation we have got. So now this equal to summation wi beta 1 plus summation wi xi beta 2. Now for this beta 2 hat star to be unbiased, value of this must be equal to 0 for beta 2 hat star to be unbiased. Value of this must be equal to 0 and value of this must be equal to 1. So this implies we have expectation of beta 2 hat star is equal to beta 2, where summation wi beta 1 is equal to 0 and summation wi xi equals to 1. This has to be satisfied for this to be unbiased. Now we will see that what is the variance of this, variance of beta 2 hat star. Now this will be equal to variance of summation wi yi. Now using the property of variance, we have summation wi square variance of yi. This equals to summation wi square sigma square. Now we are going to do a step here which is very important. Taking sigma square common, we have summation wi square. Now we are adding and subtracting xi upon summation xi square. Whole square, right, from wi. Here from wi we are adding and subtracting xi upon summation xi square. So this implies we get sigma square into wi का square, right, minus में xi square summation is here upon में summation xi square का whole square plus xi square upon summation xi square का whole square and so on. We have some other quantities also. So from here we get, now we are using this. From here we get this equal to sigma square upon summation xi square. Now we have used summation everywhere plus summation wi square sigma square, right, minus में we have other quantities as well. Now variance of beta 2 hat was sigma square upon summation xi square. Now here it can be seen that variance of beta 2 hat star is greater than variance of beta 2 hat. This implies that out of class of estimators, estimator beta 2 hat that we have found earlier possess minimum variance. This implies that all estimators other than beta 2 hat will have a variance greater than variance of this estimator. So here we have proven the minimum variance property. Thank you.